Prices on Amazon, Walmart, and eBay change by the hour. If you're still tracking competitors manually, your data's already out of date by the time it hits spreadsheet. And if you're a brand manager or pricing analyst, you know what that means. Missed price drops, minimum advertised price violations, and money left on the table. There's a better way. Today, I'll show you how to use Apify's e-commerce scraping tool to track thousands of products automatically and get clean, ready-to-use pricing data without the manual work. This actor is built for minimum advertised price, or MAP monitoring. It scrapes prices, stock status, promotions, seller info, and full product details across Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and more. Everything you need to catch violations and see your whole market in one place. Let's head to Apify console and set this up. First, search for the e-commerce scraping tool in Apify store and hit try for free. You can input product URLs, category URLs, or just keywords, so it's really flexible. For this example, we'll track the Samsung Galaxy S23 across 5 marketplaces to check its minimum advertised price. If you need speed, stick with HTTP mode. For high volume collection, switch to browser. Before you run, save your configuration as a task. That way, you can schedule it, reuse it, or plug it into other tools later. Hit start and let it run. You'll see results coming in under Overview, or check the log tab if you want more detail. Once the run finishes, grab your data with the Export button. You can choose your desired format and select which fields you want to include or exclude in your output. Then, just hit download and you have your dataset file. Let me show you what this looks like in JSON format. You can also share the dataset via the Share button as a URL. It's handy if you want to share results with your team. So, you've got the data, but now what? Here's where Apify's integration shine. If you integrate this task with Zapier, you can set up a simple automation. When a run finishes on Apify, Zapier grabs the data, organizes it into a Google Sheet, and compares scraped prices with the MAP prices you provided. You can schedule your task to run at regular intervals, say every day or every few hours. When the run finishes, Zapier automatically adds the fresh data. You can even set up automatic notifications on Slack or email when a violation occurs. If you want to try out these Zapier automations, you can use a prompt in Zapier's Copilot to help you build the flow. You can find a prompt for it in the description. And Zapier's just one option. You can also sync your data directly into BI tools like Tableau or Power BI. This isn't just about saving time. It's about reacting to competitor moves the moment they happen. And that's it. You've got automated price monitoring and MAP compliance setup. If you want to try yourself, Apify's free trial gives you $5 to start, plenty to test this out. If you want to learn more about the e-commerce scraper tool, make sure to watch your full tutorial and make sure to drop a comment and let us know how you're planning to use it. And if this was helpful, subscribe for more tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.